What's up, guys? This is Cod for K, but you can call me Kodak, and today I'm just going to show you my effects packages that I have available for download on my website, and my website is stated in the description. Just click the link, and yep, so I'm going to show you on I have two packs. I have a sound effects pack and a visual effects pack, and the visual pack, the visual effects pack is not much, but you don't really need that much. I mean, I'm not gonna put any, it's just like basic stuff. I'm not gonna put any cars or stuff in there, but I'm just gonna show you the third muzzle flash. I don't know why I just picked a random one, but here is what it looks like. It includes smoke, and for some reason it's playing black in like slow motion. Alright, so here goes normal speed. So yeah, I mean, it's okay, it's pretty cool. And so yeah, that's that. I don't need After Effects anymore. But just in case you're wondering, this is After Effects CS4. If I can find how I downloaded it, I'll put that in the description. So yeah, now I'm gonna play the sound effects. I'm gonna play the MP5, and then I'm gonna play the N4. No, actually, I'll play a sniper. M24, my favorite sniper. Wait, why do I don't know why, but I have like copies of this stuff. But oh well. But here is what the M24 sounds like. And I'm gonna play it one more time. So yeah, I think like the shots they're really strong. They're really good sound effects. Grenade, I forgot what that sounds like. Explosion, I think Explosion 2 sounds better. Let's just hear what this sounds like. Wow, it's a lot of bass in there. The bass may be too bassy. It may be too bassy, but it's okay. You can never have too much bass. So here is my website, and this is what it looks like when you first click the link, unless I've added some stuff after this, which I should have. So, what am I doing? Okay, so this is exactly what it's gonna look like, hopefully. But this is when you download that, it's just gonna take you to Mediafire, and the first one's visual, the second one's sound. So just download both of them. I didn't put them both of them at the same pack because I can only upload up to 200 megabytes in the Mediafire, and this was 400. I mean, it was like 300 something put together. And if you download this, please just like leave a little comment. I mean, just anything helps me, because I'm trying to get some comments before I apply for AdSense. And I need, like, Google's gonna like check my website to see if like there's anything going on, like if anybody's viewing my website, if it's getting any attention, like even a little bit. So like just type in like a sentence, doesn't have to be that long. And or if you really want to ask a question, just ask me. If you want me to, like, you can do YouTube requests on here, because I don't really check the YouTube Messenger or my email. So just ask me something or tell me to do something on here, and 9 times out of 10 I'll do it. 10 times out of 10. Nothing else better to do, especially since summer's coming up. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my site and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, see you guys.